welcome back to the channel. Okay, it's not a vlog today, so it doesn't even really matter. But welcome, guys. My name is Christina Jackson, and this is Christina Nicole Fitness. Not this. That's my channel name. And then bringing you an intuitive, balanced life that inspires you. So today we got a grocery haul, don't we, Trip? My baby. You missed mommy while she was out grocery shopping. I know. I love you. Okay, mama's gotta work and then we can cuddle. We can watch movies and cuddle. But anyways, y'all, let's get into it. So this is kind of like, for me, it's mostly to get back on track. For my fiance, it's just whatever he wanted to get at the grocery store, okay? But I am gonna show you both of our stuff because why the fuck not? Maybe your man wants some of the same things my fiance got. I don't know. But tonight I got this market side or whatever. It's the little, you know, soup things at Walmart. I got the creamy chicken and wild rice soup, and then I got the loaded potato soup with uncured bacon. I've had this one before. After a while, it kind of gets a little bit salty for me, so probably about like halfway through, I might quit on that one and then put it up for another day. Then I also got the snack pack, the strawberry and the berry blue. Those are my two favorite flavors for Jell-O. And I do have it on white lighting, but hold on. Does that make a difference? Maybe. If it gets too dark, I'll look at it. And then I got 4 green, like bright green avocados. I'm gonna let these sit out. And then what else? Let's go through this area, then we're gonna go through the back, and then I got stuff in the fridge and in the freezer. I got a lot. Since your girl is no longer keto, popcorn, we got the white cheddar, and we got the hot buffalo. Now, smart food, okay? Y'all need to bring back my jalapeno ranch. I'm not playing with y'all, okay? You don't understand how much, like, my fiance and I love your brand of stuff. So one day, sponsor your girl if you see this video, okay? No lie, because we're always having these in the house for snacks or whatever, but realistically, that jalapeno ranch, that is my #1 favorite. And then this is probably like 2, and this is probably like 3. I know they brought like a sour cream and onion out, and I think I had that one, but ain't nothing gonna replace that jalapeno ranch. Like, I try not to eat a bag of that when I sit down. I'm being honest. And when I say a bag, I mean like one of these bags. Oh. Okay. Next, my fiance got like jalapeno fries. Or not jalapeno fries. Lord, it's on my mind, okay? But you know the flaming hot fries. I had these since I was a kid, but my fiance likes these. And then I got my favorite snack, the sweet and dried mangoes. And just in case if you want to see this, I'll try to get closer. I feel like it's not enough light. Put that back on. And then we got the Fruity Snack Sours, the sweet and sour fruit flavored snacks by Kellogg's. Hands down, love these. These are like my temporary if I'm not really supposed to be having Sour Patch Kids, which I'm trying to cut back on my sugar. Don't get me wrong. I know how to incorporate in my my eating plan, but you know the sugars. Man, I didn't even see him get these. Like I saw him get these. I'm gonna have to try these. These are new. Okay, so these are king size variety pack, king size pouch. These are Gushers and Fruit by the Foot, but these are flavors I've never even had. I'm about to steal the hell out of these, okay? I'm about to steal the hell out of these. Y'all don't even know. Okay, and then my fiance got basically these cheddar cheese crackers. What are these called? Cheez-Its? Yeah, the off-brand Cheez-Its. Okay. And then he got him some salsa, because he got some chips and we got more just regular chips down there. But he's eating them now with some type of cheese dip that he got. I don't even know what it is. He got him some Ragu meat sauce because I'm going to be cooking, not this week, but the week coming up. I'm going to be doing like a lot of spaghetti for us for meal prep. So, yeah. And he's not on like a specific meal prep or like specific diet. He just eats what he wants. And I kind of do the same thing, but I'll tailor it to like healthy alternatives for me, and he's just kind of like going with the flow, you know what I'm saying? He got him some black beans, the Goya brand, that's what he likes. Some Wolf brand chili, no beans. These are for me when I do the meal prep video, which y'all will see that in the future, just not this week. The Italian style petite diced tomatoes. I love Italian style. My mom always got me on those. And then my 2 sauces for when I do the meal prep with me, it's going to be the Hunt's pasta sauce 4 cheese and the Hunt's pasta sauce garlic and herb. I think it's cool how they changed their packaging. It's been years since I've seen their packaging change. And then he wanted some strawberry preservatives, and this is sugar free. That's what he got. And I'm gonna have to reach for this, y'all. Okay, this is for work because we work at night. We do not work during the day. We sleep during the day. So I got these Monster juice. These are life. Okay, if you've never had these, I tried one day, and ever since then, that's all I've been getting for energy drinks at night to keep me awake at work. These taste just like the Mucho Mangoes, the Arizona Mucho Mangoes, but this is like gonna give you a little bit of energy kick. And these are life. So this was like, I think $15.96 at Walmart for a 10-pack. This is Bay right here. This is Bay. This is what gets me up and working at night. And then he got some cereals. He got Reese's Puffs. He got him some Berry Crunch, I think. It's Captain Crunch, you know what it is, but this one's with the berries. And then, hold on. He got him some Life Originals. And then he's got other cereals that I showed y'all. If you watch my previous Walmart grocery shopping haul, that's what else he got. Okay, that's all that's in that pantry. And excuse the mess behind me because I have to get to cleaning because I also do have to cook tonight. So yeah, but we'll get into that. So if you see any mess behind me, no, I need that light. Okay, I got green tea. Normally I get my green tea from the Dollar Tree, but they're closed this late at night because it's like basically 1 o'clock in the morning. But it's daytime for me, but it's nighttime for you guys out there in the world. But yeah, I got this green tea one. It's just because the Dollar Tree ones, it's 100 count for $1, and then this is like $1.98 for 40 count. There's nothing wrong with it, but this is just what I picked up for right now. Then I got me some more peppermint tea. I use this one, and I also use it's the same brand, but there's a green box, and it's peppermint, but it's a different kind of peppermint. I don't know. I think this one's supposed to be more like almost like the sweet winter kind, and the other one's like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a different type of peppermint. There's different types of peppermint, spearmint, whatever. And then Yo Girl got some more women's 1 daily vitamins because I was running out and I needed some more. And then I got me some Spring Valley Collagen Peptides type 1 and 3 for hair, skin, and nail and joint health. So I got this. I've been wanting to get, because I ran out of my pills, and I've been wanting to do a collagen powder so I can put it in water, I can put it in smoothies, whatever. But I'm trying to regrow my hair back out because my wedding is in like, what year is it doing? In 2 years, but I know it can take a minute for my hair to grow. I mean, my hair's been growing fast because I haven't on collagen and other stuff like that, but my hair thinned out when I was on keto. So I'm trying to get my hair thick and healthy and then also kind of regrow it out. And if that's something y'all also want to see on this channel, I'm really into self-care, which is part of like my balanced life and everything like that. And I just like to show a lot of different aspects. So I probably might do like a hair journey because I do like this is like my natural hair up here. And then, yeah, the rest is like, this is all dyed. And then we'll get into all that. You can't really see in this light because it's light yellow, but whatever. I'm trying to regrow out my hair and I need some collagen, okay? And then my fiance got some hot dog buns, but we already have some, so I don't know if he's going to put these in the freezer or what. But yeah, okay. Oh, and the Fifi wanted some more spray for cooking, even though I have coconut spray, but whatever, you know. That's almost out too. And then let's go through the freezer real quick. Real quick. So I got some multi-grain bread. These are the English muffins. I got one pack in the freezer and one pack up there. We'll go through that in a minute. And then I got these meatballs for next week. I got 3 packets of these. These were like $3.94, I think, at Walmart. $3.94, $3.98, something like that. But I'm gonna probably put these like in the air fryer or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do them, but yeah. And that's pork. That's not beef. Here, let me re-show y'all just in case. So I got 3 packets of those, and then I also got some veggie spiralized noodles, because I'm not doing noodles myself. My fiance is doing noodles when we do spaghetti for both of us. And then I also will be doing that was a butter squash, and then I got zucchini. My bad, I'm confused right now. And then let me flip this around. And then the Fifi really likes these. I like these too sometimes. These chicken cheese taquitos. And then he likes what are these called? Salisbury steak. These are like, I'll even eat these. And then this over. And then he's got, I think these are the beef ones. These are the beef taquitos. Yeah, he likes those too. So that's everything in the freezer. Yes. I had to organize all this stuff, y'all. Also, I know that some people, the way that they do their grocery houses, put everything out on the counter, but I don't have a counter really to put everything out, and this is a lot of food, and it was in bags. And so I just prefer to put it all up and then show you, but that's just my method of doing it. You know, everybody's different. And then we just got some honey wheat bread. That's the kind my fiance likes. I don't eat bread as much. Sometimes that's why I like this, like these English muffins. I'll specifically pick out, like, I'm gonna have this for breakfast, this is what I want, and that's the bread I get, because I'm not really into a lot of breads. Not that I don't eat bread, it's just I have to have a reason or like a specific type of meal I'm gonna be eating with the bread. Do you know what I mean? So we're gonna be doing stuff like that. That's how Christina works and operates. Okay, I'm gonna show you my fridge. So this is kind of like, you know, a fridge. Show my fridge, okay? It's not 100% legit. Do you have to be in my filming aspect trip? You wanna, okay. Everybody can see the top of your head. Oh, I love you too. Okay, you sit here while mommy shows the people her fridge. Okay, let me stop. I love my babies. Okay, but he got him some Red Mountain Dew. I'm not finna like pull this out and stand it up just to show you. Y'all can Google that, or you can go to the store and get it. And then he got him some lactose free. He thinks he's lactose not intolerant, but he thinks he's starting to notice, because he's noticing when he's eating certain types of dairy that he's starting to you know, get a little gassy or whatever you want to call it. But so we're trying lactose free milk, and he actually likes the taste of it. I've never had it, but I told him, I said, let's try this and see how that helps you. Then I got some lemons because I'm making some lemon water. And then I got these avocados because these are ready to eat right now. So I'm going to be eating those. I thought I got 4. Oh, there's the 4th one. That's what happens when you film stuff and you're like looking at one thing from one view and something else. So yeah. And then the Fifi has some lunch meat down here. And then we got some shredded cheese. And then he's got a pack of hot dogs that he's going to be eating tonight. And then we got some organic butter. I know he also likes this milk brand too. But we're going to try this and see how this is. Well, we got butter already. But you know how he is. And then I picked up some more garlic, Parmesan, and basil seasoned butter. Y'all, this is life. $1.99 at your local Walmart, okay? Like, I always have to have at least 1 pack of this in the fridge. And, oh, I just found out, I don't know if y'all know about the brand Kerrygold. It's what a lot of people use on keto, but they have a garlic, I think it's a garlic Parmesan. I don't know, but it's a garlic butter. I just seen it at my Walmart, but it only comes in like 1 stick, and 1 stick is like $2.50 or something like that. But that, if that's something y'all interested, but your girl loves this one. And then, I think, oh, my bad. Yes, I'm organizing my shit. My fiance likes these Yoo-Hoo Yoo-hoo? I don't know what these are. I've never had these, not a day in my life. Never even tasted one of these. I never even asked him to taste one. But he gets these. He likes these. I'm assuming it's like chocolate milk or something like that. Yes, Trim. Yes. I'll take all the love. And then, Kim, I'm almost done, bruh. I just want y'all to see what's going on behind the scenes. I just want y'all to see what I'm struggling with right now. Put your ear down. Nobody wants to see all that. You know, I'm trying to film, and he got to be all up in the fridge, too. I love you. We got the Bolthouse Farms Berry Boost. This is what my fiance wanted this time. And then I went, instead of getting the green one, which I do like, I just went with the V8, the Healthy Greens, because it is less sugar. And I just have, like, probably about one of these a day, or one every other day, I would say. But no less than, like, one every 3 days.